In this video, I'm going to explain about arithmetic mean. First, let us know about measures of averages. One of the most important objectives of statistical analysis is to get one single value that describes the characteristic of the entire mass of data. Such a value is called central value or an average value. Here, the following are the types of averages. First one is mean, second one is median, and third one is mode. So now I am going to explain only about mean. So here there are three types of mean that are used. First one is arithmetic mean, and second one is geometric mean, and third one is harmonic mean. Now I am going to explain about arithmetic mean in this video. For finding arithmetic mean, we have three different formulas. Suppose if a data can be given in the individual series, we have to use x bar equal to sigma x by n. And second one is if the data is given in the form of discrete series, we have to use x bar equal to sigma fx by n. And third one is if the data is given in the form of continuous series, we have to use x bar equal to a plus sigma fd divided by n into c. Now we'll see an example. First, individual series example, and here we have to find arithmetic mean of the following data, and in this problem datas are given in the form of individual series. So we have to use, so formula for individual series is x bar equal to sigma x divided by n, where n is set of observations, that is n is total number of observations. So first we have to write the formula, that is x bar equal to sigma x by n. So these values are x1, x2, x3 and so on till x10, because we have totally 10 values. So we have total values at 10, so n equal to 10, and sigma x means we have to add all the values. So first we have to add 25 plus 32 plus 28 and so on. So 25 plus 32 plus 28 plus 34 plus 24 plus 31 plus 36 plus 27 plus 29 plus 30. If you add, you will get sigma x equal to 296. Mean x bar equal to sigma x value is 296 divided by n. N is number of observation, and here we have 10 values, so that is 10. So if we divide, you will get x bar is 29.6. This is the way of finding arithmetic mean in the form of individual series. Next, discrete case example. And here calculate arithmetic mean for the following, and age is given, number of workers is given. First one, age 8 and number of workers is 5, and age 10, number of workers 7, age 12, number of workers 12, and age 15, corresponding number of workers 6, and age 18, number of workers is 10. So now we have to assume age as some x and number of workers as frequency, that is f. So if this is a case, we have to use discrete series formula. So formula for discrete series is x bar equal to summation fx divided by n, because we have age, that is x, and number of workers frequency is given f. So f and x we have. So this is of the form discrete series. So we have to use discrete series formula, x bar equal to, that is mean equal to sigma fx by n. This n is nothing but total of frequency. So we have to add all the frequency value, and we have to find f into x. We have to multiply these two values. So for that we form a table. Here I have written x, f and fx. X we already know, that is given in the problem, that is age. Age values are 8, 10, 12, 15 and 18. So I have written all the values here. Next f is nothing but number of workers. So number of workers, that is 5, 7, 12, 6 and 10. That I have written here. And we have to find f into x. So we have to multiply these two values. So first 8 into 5, that is 40. Next 10 into 7, 70. Third value 12 into 12, 144. Next 15 into 6, that is 90. And 18 into 10, that is 180. So we have to find the total of this. So the total, if you add all the values, you will get 524. And we have to find the frequency total also, because this is capital N value. So capital N, we have to add all the values. So if you add, you will get 40. Now substitute these two values in the formula, that is x bar equal to sigma fx divided by capital N. So sigma fx is nothing but the total of f into x, that is 524 divided by n. N is 40. So if you divide, you will get 13.1. This is the mean value. Next, continuous series example. In this example, we have to find arithmetic mean, and we have marks and number of students is given. Marks, that is ranges from 0 to 10. That is, it is given in the form of class interval. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on till 50 to 60. So if this is a case, it is called continuous series, and corresponding number of student is given, that is 5, 10, 25, 30, 20 and 10. So now you have to use arithmetic mean formula for continuous series. So formula is x bar equal to a plus sigma fd divided by n into c. First, this a is nothing but assumed mean, and f is frequency, and d is, for d we have to use the formula, that is x minus a by c. C is nothing but class interval, and capital N is total frequency. So we have to find all the values and substitute it. So you will get arithmetic mean value. So first we have to form a table. So in that we have first marks, that is given in the problem, that I have written 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on till 50 to 60. And next number of students is given, that is 5, 10, 25, 30, 20 and 10. So this number of student is nothing but frequency. So that is f. Next we have to find summation fd divided by n into c. So first we have to find fd value. So for that we have to first calculate d. So d formula is x minus a divided by c. So first we have to find x. X is nothing but mid value. So in the class interval, that is 0 to 10, the mid value is, so we have to add the lower limit and upper limit value and divided by 2. So that is 0 plus 10, that is 10 divided by 2. So mid value is 5. Next, in the second interval, 10 to 20. So if you add 10 plus 20, you will get 30. So if you divide it by 2, you will get 15. So similarly, you have to add all the class intervals and divide it by 2. So we will get, this is 25 and 35, 45 and this is 55. Next we have to find x minus a, because formula for d is x minus a by c. So first I will find out x minus a separately. So a is nothing but assumed mean. So now we have to assume any value. See here we have 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. So assumed mean is we have to consider either 25 or 35, because we have totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values, right? So I can assume either, that is mid value of this. I can assume either 25 or 35. So now I am going to assume 25. So this is x minus 25. So x minus 25, that is first value, x is 5. So 5 minus 25, that is minus 20. And next x is 15. 15 minus 25, minus 10. And next is 25. So 25 minus 25, 0. Next x value is 35. So 35 minus 25, 10. Next x value is 45. 45 minus 25, 20. And next x value is 55. So 55 minus 25, that is 30. Next we have to find d. For that formula is x minus a by c. X minus a we found already here. So now we have to divide this by c. C is nothing but class interval. Class interval here, see this limits ranges from 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on. So the intervals are 10. So c value is 10. So now we have to divide this by 10. So first will become minus 20 by 10. So x minus a by 10. So first is minus 2. So minus 10 by 10, minus 1. So 0 by 10, that is 0. 10 by 10, 1. 20 by 10, 2. 30 divided by 10, that is 3. So after finding d, we have to find out f into d. F into d is nothing but we have to multiply frequency value with this d value. So first consider first frequency value, that is 5, and d value is minus 2. So 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10. Next second value 10 and corresponding d is minus 1. So that is minus 10. Next third value f is 20 and d is 0. So 0. Next f value 30 and corresponding d, that is 1. So 30 into 1, 30. Next f is 20, corresponding d is 2. So 40. Next f is 10, corresponding d is 3. So 10 into 3, 30. Now you have to find out the total of frequency and fd. That is, we have to find this total because this is nothing but capital N. So if you add all the values, you will get 5 plus 10 plus 25 plus 30 plus 20 plus 10. That is nothing but 100. Similarly, you have to find the total of fd because this is sigma fd value. So the total is minus 10 minus 10, that is minus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 30. So the answer is 80. Now substitute all the values in the given formula. So the formula is x bar, that is mean, equal to a plus summation fd by n into c. So x bar equal to a plus sigma fd divided by n into c. So what is a? A is assumed mean. Here we have assumed a is 25 plus sigma fd value, that is total value. Here we have, that is 80 divided by n. N is nothing but frequency, that is 100. Total frequency, that is 100, into class interval is c, that is 10. So if you simplify, you will get, this is 25. First we have to simplify this value. 80 into 10, 800 divided by 100, that is 8. So 25 plus 8, 33. So x bar value is 33. This is the arithmetic mean value, the case of continuous series. Thank you.